Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. Today, we're going to learn how to track your Home Depot order. Open the website, then click on the option that says My Account. Then a drop-down list will appear. There, you will see a Sign In button. Click on Sign In. Now, enter your email address. Then click on Continue. After that, enter your password. Then click Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the top right part of the screen. Click on the option that says Track Order. On this page, you will see a section for your order. Then on its right part, you will see a Track Package button. Click on the Track Package button. Then a pop-up window will appear from which you could see the tracking history of your order. That's how you track your Home Depot order. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.